Xiaomi has just released the second official list of devices that will upgrade to HyperOS. Remember that during the global launch of the Xiaomi 14, Xiaomi announced their first official list which only included a few devices. But now, they have launched HyperOS regionally in India. So the list has been extended to more devices. Since last month, the updates started rolling out to Xiaomi 13 Pro, Xiaomi Pad 6, Redmi 12 5G, Redmi 12 SE, Redmi 11 Prime, and Redmi Pad. And it is expected that during March, this update will reach several members of the Redmi Note family, specifically all members of the Redmi Note 13 and Redmi Note 12 series, including the Pro and Pro Plus models. Also, in March appears the Xiaomi 12 Pro as a device that will receive this update, and it will be until the second quarter of 2024 when this update will begin to reach many more devices. The list of this round is headed by the Xiaomi 11 Ultra, 11T Pro, 11X, 11Y Hypercharge, 11 Lite, 11i. There will also be the Mi 10, Xiaomi Pad 5, Redmi 13C in all its series, Redmi 12, Redmi Note 11 in all its series, Redmi 11 Prime, and Redmi K50i. At the moment, these are the devices incorporated in this India list. So it is highly likely that as launches in other regions become available, Xiaomi will be extending these official lists. It should also be noted that the most recent devices of this brand are already incorporating this version of HyperOS, with which they gain greater customization tools on the lock screen, better stability in the system, a redesign in the control center, and some other tools integrated with the entire ecosystem of Xiaomi. As I always tell you, remember that if your device is not on the list, it does not necessarily mean that it will not update. It is just not yet part of these first lists.